Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into how to submit a claim on GuardMe. Make sure to hit subscribe and let's explore this together. So the step one is you have to open your browser and go to www.guard.com like this www.guard.com. So you just have to visit their official website. On the home page, click submit a claim to head to the claim submission page. Let me find the option on .com. You have to log in or register. Existing users may enter their username and password, then tap login, and users should register new account, then fill in your name, contact info, and policy number. After registering, you will be logged in automatically. Once logged in, your active policies will appear on your dashboard. Tap the policy under which you are filling a claim to open claim form. So like you have to go to the guard insurance you have to download it for your browser. Wait, this is the wrong one. I am talking about this first one, guard insurance. So as it is I'm having some problem, I'm just gonna explain it to you. So after logging in, you have to scan or photograph your medical receipts, bills, or other relevant records. Make sure each document is clear and legible to prevent delays. Then double check every field and attachment. Hit submit when you are ready. You will see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email. So after submission, you have to typically process. It may take somewhere between 7 to 10 business days. You can log back in anytime to track your claims status. And if you need any more further help, you can contact with guard.me. Customer support is always available for people. So that's it, easy as that. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.